Meaning of existentialist.
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 Existentialist. Existentialism is a philosophical movement that emphasizes individual existence, freedom, and choice. It focuses on the search for purpose and meaning in life, often in the face of despair and uncertainty. Existentialists believe that human beings must create their own values and meanings in life, rather than relying on external sources of guidance or morality. They reject the notion of innate human nature and instead embrace the idea of radical freedom, emphasizing the importance of personal responsibility and confronting the fundamental anxieties of human existence.